Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a sitemap in Figma from scratch. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to figma.com and log in to your Figma account. And once you're in the main dashboard, you're going to click on Create right here. And on the drop-down menu, instead of clicking normally on Design, we're going to go to FigJam. Now, how do we start creating a sitemap? First, we're going to go to the bottom panel and select a shape. For example, I'm going to select a square. Then, we're going to make it right here. Let's say this is our home page. Now, we can easily edit the text right here, whatever font we want. And we can also select the font size. Or even customize it right here. Now, to add in elements in our sitemap, simply click on it again, and then we can click on these arrows right here, wherever direction we want to add the elements. Let's say we're going to add here again, and then we're going to make this our inner page. Now, we can even edit the shape of our next element. Could be this, could be this, can even be a circle or a triangle. And like earlier, we can edit the font size to make it smaller or to make it bigger. And it goes on. So from here, we can add here, we can add here, or from our main element, we can add here. So the rest is up to you. You can even bold the text or even change the fill or the outline right here. But if you want it customized, simply click here on custom, and then you'll have a lot of colors to work on. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!